Hi guys, welcome to my channel today. I love my dad and what's behind me? I don't know what's behind me. What is this? Dragon's toys from the real Night Fury new movie. Look at Hiccup. Look at Night Fury. Look at this action jaw mouth opening. And that's my sister over there. We're just walking. And open this boy up.
Hello.
See this?
Sorry.
Guys? Hey, guys? Oh, guys, look! It's opening! Guys, let's open the tail first. No, let's open Hiccups, I mean. Oh! That's easy. Hiccup, lift your hand up. I already got your feet up. Look at Hiccup. He's covered. Ah, help me. I'll give my dad a little bit of help. Watch out, bruh. Let me open this. Dad, hold this. Hold this. Hold this. Okay, guys. Let's open this. The front.
Come, give me. Be careful.
Okay, guys.
Let me open it, Trevor. No, not like that.
Oh, look at this. How do you bite this really quickly?
Hold it tight, Trevor.
How do you get this really quickly? I hold it again. Oh!
I have Jamie. Wait.
And the other side. Oh, good! Look! Now do this, the back. I'll do the back.
Wait, be careful. You were not watching, see?
See? I was watching.
Is that how I did?
Wait. Wait.
Well,
I just opened the other side. How come I just...
wait,
I
hold
just
it,
can't
hold
this
it.
side. Really good. Oh, guys, look. We need to cut this edge.
No. Just take this one out. Okay?
There's no instructions. Oh. Okay, guys, my dad is helping me.
Take your hand out.
I am. Oh, look at the knife for it. You got the tail?
Yeah, push the tail.
Do you need to push the tail in?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. It's just right here.
Want me to push?
No. Can you help me? I'll do Hiccup. What? Then how come this just broke?
What?
This thing.
Why did you pull it?
Supposed to look, it can connect back. It's supposed to connect back. No. Look, you see, Hiccup already break.
Right.
I got Hiccup.
Right.
Oh, look.
Oh, it's dangerous. Dangerous, Papa. Oh,
Just hold it.
it's very dangerous. Come. Papa, come. Give it to me. Let me see.
Oh, this bar.
You broke it.
Would you fight this guy? Oh. Here. Put it come in. Guys. Look, we already got Hiccup.
What are you eating? What are you eating? Oh, no, don't eat
Dad?
them.
Dad.
Hey. What?
We already got. We already got Hiccup. Kind of good hair, detail, and knife for me.
Watch.
Yeah.
What you have to do. Yeah, that one. Then you
Put Hiccup.
You can put hiccups here.
Let's put the front of the box. Okay, you say you can bend his leg. Oh! You can sit and you bend his leg. Oh, it can get on.